Hey, this is Sven Wolf, a Road Warrior Marketer. I just thought I'd shoot a short video because I got the question how to find tags on a YouTube video. Now, one of the easiest ways, in my opinion, is to download TubeBuddy for YouTube. And it's really not harder than just go to tubebuddy.com, register an account, and head over to the Chrome store if you're on Chrome. I don't know if this is supported by the other web browsers, but I guess it should. Just add this TubeBuddy extension, and when you head over to a video like this, you can see all the tags right here. Now, let's say you don't want or can't download this for any reason. Another way to find the tags are to right-click on the page, view page source, or in Chrome, Control U. And then you just have to search, and you'll find the search how to here and find like this, Control F. And the quotation mark, keywords, quotations, colon, square parenthesis, I don't know what it's called, and another like that, and just search for that. And that way you'll find secret keyboard tricks, secret keyboard, just like you saw right here, keyboards, secret keyboard symbols, and you can see it's in that order: keyboard, secret keyboard tricks, keyboard, secret keyboard tricks. So that's the way you find the keywords or the tags for a YouTube video. I hope it helps, and if you want to check out TubeBuddy and you feel that would be an awesome tool, just click the link below and I'll get you right to it. You have a great day. Take care.